Yeah, you rocking Alex? Can you give Alex kisses? Oh, you're really rocking Alex. Can you tell Alex hi? Mare. Can you give Alex a kiss? Can you give... Ah, he's tipping over. It's okay, we're just going to tip him back up. There. Can you tell Alex hi? Oh. Oh, that's such a nice big sister. Yeah, can you tell Nanny hi? Say hi, Nanny. Oh, okay. Do you have anything else you want to say? Did you have fun this weekend at Nanny and Pa's house? Do you don't know if you had fun or not? Did you have fun? I heard you said Pa. Did you say the word Pa? Pa? Can you say hi, Pa? That's Alex's. Okay, tell everybody bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. All right.